In the height of the kit car craze in America in the early 1970s, the Bradley GT was manufactured of fiberglass and installed on a VW chassis.
This car is a Bradley GT. It's built on a Volkswagen chassis, and it's a customized car. It's one of a kind. And in order to get in it, you put the window up like this. The interior is done in crushed velour. There are no doors on this car, as you can see, so it's a little tricky getting in and out, but it's fun.
The company made quite a show of providing a completely built specialized custom version to Liberace at the Las Vegas Hilton in 1972. Candelabras were installed on the side panels, and the finish is gold metal flake over gold sequins, attributes which weren't available to the public. Recording artist Macklemore visited Liberace Garage in 2018 and enjoyed the nostalgic vibe of the car, something his own act is known for.